Okay, so this is a response to my previous video that's gotten some views. Indy, my talking Indian ringneck, and I know everybody's had some questions, so I'm gonna go through and answer them. Can ringnecks be mean? Yes. When you first get them as a baby, they go through a bluffing stage, so they will test you and they will see what they can get away with, and they will bite. But you just work through that, and they could be the best bird you've ever owned. Our ringneck is as sweet as can be, and Indy just loves attention. So I know most of you guys probably want to see him again, so I'll get him out. He might even have a friend with him today, so never know. You can buy them at local bird stores. I wouldn't recommend going to like a pet store, because for one, they never know the age. I went to a pet store and it had the ring around its neck, and they said he was very young, and I know that's a lie. I'll tell you why here in a second, but let's get Indy out and tell you some facts about him. Let's see if he's awake. I think he's awake. Nope, Indy. He's awake. Hey, buddy boy. Come on. It's okay. Okay, yeah. So, if some of you haven't seen my last video, this is Indy. Indy. He's a pretty boy. He's kind of camera shy now, but he'll open up. But simple facts are, with ringnecks, you know if you have a male or female. I'm sure it's rare, but long story short, the males have the rings around their neck, and the females don't. The females do not get the ring like Indy does. So if they have a black ring, you have a male. If not, you most likely have a female. I'm sure sometimes, in rare cases, it does happen where females get rings. Stuff like that does happen, but normally only males have the ring. Male or female, they can both talk. We've had luck with the male, so that's what we got. We got him through an egg. We hatched him, and we hand fed him, and we pick him up at our local bird store. Not a pet store, an actual bird store. But if you hand feed them and you get them as babies, they can be wonderful. Indy, who is that? Who is that? Give a kiss. No? Okay. Have kisses? Give me a kiss. It's okay. Woo. I love you. Give me a kiss. They will pick up everything that you say, give or take, even some bad phrases. Let's see if I can get him to say his favorite. He don't want to do it today. Generally, he'll say, "What the F?" Let's see if I can get him to do it for you. What are you doing? Woo. Really? Yeah, you say it. Let's try it one more time. Normally when you pet his head is when he says it, so. You don't want to say it today. Okay, well, that's okay. Give me a kiss. Let me see something. Okay, well, he don't want to say his bad word today, but that's okay. He's a little shy. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Good boy. Who's that? Who's that? We'll see if I get his friend out of here to talk. If you guys have any questions about ringnecks, and you want to leave them in the comments, I will definitely answer them. Okay, see if I can get his friend out. Today, you guys are going to meet Oliver. Hey, pretty boy. Oliver is still very young. Come on. Come on, step up. Okay. Come here, Indy. There we go. So, these two are buddies. Let's see. And this is a conure. So I won't keep you guys today with the long video. I just wanted to bring back Indy. Hopefully you guys will share and invite your friends to like my page. And get some followers, and I'll post some more videos. But until then, I guess we have tons of pets in my house, so yeah. Alrighty. Well, say bye, Annie. Bye bye. Give a kiss. Give a kiss. Good boy. Give a kiss. Good boy. Say bye bye. No. Alrighty, guys. That includes it today. Just want to answer some questions, so hit like, follow, turn the bell on, and we'll get some more videos up here.